Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you something very important that will be very useful for nearly everyone. So we have a lot of these negatives from older cameras laying around the house, and a lot of people don't know how to transfer these to positive images. These are negative. How to transfer it to positive images and store it in their phone without having to spend a penny. You could do it very simple. So that's what I'm going to teach you. What you need to do is first you need to take a picture of the negative with a very bright white background, which you can use a cloudy sky. Actually, a white paper is better than the sky because there are formation of clouds in the sky which might interfere with the image. So I'm taking a picture of this. So there it is, and I'm going to take a picture of the second image, which seems to be an infant or a little baby toddler maybe, and I want to see who they are and how I ended up with these pictures. See, my paper is small. See how the top of the picture is getting dark because my paper is small. So you need to get a bigger paper. Let me actually put it this way so I have bigger paper. So there it is. All right, so I took pictures. Now what I'm going to do, let me show you with this camera. I'm going to turn off the other lights so there are no reflections. So what I'm going to do is crop the picture so I just have the negative, the image, and not the sides. Okay, so I press on crop, and I'm gonna crop the image like that. Done. I'll go on the second image. This one is already cropped, but just to be more exact, I'll crop it further. There you go, done. So both images are cropped. This now is the time that you need to see where the magic lies. So basically, you have to use AI to convert these to positive images, and here is how we do it. So you go to ChatGPT. Any AI can do this, but I'm going to use ChatGPT, and I'll write convert these negative images to positive. So that's what you want to type, and then you click add, and you're gonna choose these pictures, 1, 2. Now add 2 photos. Now send it and watch it do its magic. It's analyzing. It should take a minute or two. So these are the downloadable versions. You just click on image 1 and it will appear in a second. There it is, a little baby eating a pizza. And image 2 takes a minute, a few seconds, and a little girl near a lawn. Both of these are my nieces, my beautiful nieces. So there it is. Very simple way. Now I can, so if I want to save this, for example, let's say I want to save this picture to my camera roll, you just click here and save image. Go to the other one. Let's see, where is the other one? There. And you click here, save image, and now both images are saved in my camera roll. The images are saved in the camera roll. So that's how simple it is. to transfer your, old vintage camera films to your phone without having to spend a single penny. All right, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.